Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about using a trackpad. The trackpad, also known as a touchpad, is an input device that controls the position of the cursor on the screen, similar to a mouse. Trackpads are built into laptop computers, where using them is essential for operating the device. My name is Cannon Christensen, and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will identify the trackpad on a laptop, perform different types of clicks, click and drag elements on the screen, and scroll content with the scroll gesture. Trackpads are most common on laptop computers. However, some external trackpads connect with USB or Bluetooth and act as peripheral devices. The trackpad on a laptop is a flat, touch-sensitive surface located below the keyboard. It translates the motion and gestures of your fingers in order to move the cursor and perform actions on the computer. While some laptops have two separate physical buttons below the trackpad, most modern laptops have a single unified surface. I will go over the basic types of clicks and gestures for the trackpad. Depending on your device, your trackpad may offer additional gestures and functionality. Throughout this tutorial, I will demonstrate each trackpad action in the box on the bottom right. The most common action is a left click, which is used to select items and interact with elements on the screen. To move the cursor across the screen, slide one finger across the surface of the trackpad. To left click, tap anywhere on the trackpad with one finger. On some devices, you may press down on the bottom left corner or button of the trackpad until you feel a click. To try a left click, guide your cursor over an icon on the screen and tap once to select it. A right click typically opens a context menu with more options for an item. The standard method is to tap the trackpad anywhere with two fingers at the same time. On some devices, you may press down on the bottom right corner or button of the trackpad to right click. To try a right click, move your cursor to an empty space on the desktop and tap with two fingers to open the context menu. A double click is often used to open an application, file, or folder. To double-click, tap the trackpad twice quickly with one finger. To try this, move your pointer to an icon on the desktop and double-click on it. I will double-click on the recycle bin. A new window opens up displaying its contents. To close the window, move the pointer to the X in the corner of the window and left-click. Clicking and dragging allows you to move elements on the screen. Depending on your trackpad, this may be accomplished in different ways. Many modern trackpads support a single finger drag. To use this method, click on an item with one finger and without releasing, drag your finger across the trackpad to move the item, and then release your finger. Another common method is to move your cursor over an item, double tap and hold on the second tap, drag your finger across the trackpad, and then release. If your trackpad has a physical button, click on an item with the left click button without releasing. Drag another finger across the trackpad to move the item, and then release the button. To practice this, move your cursor over an item, I will use the recycle bin again, and use an appropriate method to click and drag. Trackpads use a two-finger gesture to scroll through pages and content. To scroll, place two fingers on the trackpad at the same time and slide them up or down across the surface. Typically, slide both fingers down to scroll up, or slide both fingers up to scroll down. To try this, open the Start menu and select All, or open another window with scrollable content and move your cursor over the list. Now scroll down the list by sliding two fingers on the trackpad. In this video, you identified the trackpad on a laptop, performed different types of clicks, clicked and dragged elements on the screen, and scrolled pages with the scroll gesture. For more information about computer fundamentals and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.